In today's video, I'll show you how you can set up FXSound. So first of all, you would want to install it. To do that, you want to go into fxsound.com on your browser. From here, click on Download for Windows. In this way, you will now be downloading the installer. You will navigate into your download section on where you have downloaded it and just open the app, which is FXSound setup.exe. Once it's installed, you should have it just like this one right here. So now you can now start by turning on your FXSound by clicking here on this button, and make sure it's not grayed out like this. Make sure it's in this color. And from here, you can start by going here. Make sure that your output device is correct right here. So it's the same. So this is Realtek HD second output, and it should be the same here into your Windows sound settings. So navigate to your taskbar, click here, and basically just go here in order for you to see the output devices, and it should be the same thing right here. So you want to click on this one, and don't worry if it automatically goes back into FXSound speaker. It is normal. Just make sure that you have clicked on the same name or same output device that you have chosen right here. And now you can proceed into customizing your values here in the effects, your frequency, and your equalizer. If you're just a beginner, then I suggest going here into the preset and just choose one of the presets in here because they are all really good already. And for example, we'll be choosing gaming. And in here, since you are already using a preset, I suggest only minimal changes in here so that it will not be distorted or it will not come off as bad. And then you can also go here and make sure that your dynamic boost, surround sound, and bass boost are all controlled because these are heavy effects and they might get your audio distorted. So make sure that you keep them in check. And now once you're all set, you can now test it out by playing a sound. And that's how you can set up your FXSound.